the member of board of directors at LuxFlag, a member of the board of directors at the Luxembourg Sustainable Finance Initiative, and the deputy CEO of Luxembourg for Finance. Ladies and gentlemen, we're welcoming on stage Mr. Philipp Von Restorff.
Good morning. I'm very happy to be here. It's not often that I can see students from Germany, France, Belgium, and the Netherlands and welcome them here. So kudos to the LHoFT. I'm Philipp Von Restorff from Luxembourg for Finance. We are the agency for the development of the financial center, and we do many things to develop this financial center. And one thing that makes us very proud to have co-founded the LHoFT, because what these people are doing for developing the financial center is just incredible, and I wanted to thank them to have organized this event that enables us to present to you what the financial center is all about and where we are going. So I haven't witnessed the mines and the steel industry here because I'm one of so many which came to Luxembourg later. My parents took me to Luxembourg in 1978, so I'm one of those many people who since 78 have made the population of Luxembourg almost doubling. But what does the financial center have in common with the steel industry? Actually, the steel industry kicked off in the middle of the 19th century, and that was precisely the moment when we needed the financing to develop Luxembourg, its infrastructure, its commerce, and so on. So this is actually the starting point where the financial industry has really took off. So what happened since? A lot of things have happened. We have been going from commercial banking and trade finance after the signature of the Treaty of Rome in '57 into Eurobonds, into wealth management, into asset management, into insurance, into capital market activities, and more recently into financial technology, but also sustainable finance. So where do we stand today as a financial center? We have 124 international banks, more than 300 investment fund managers, more than 100 investment firms, more than 250 insurance companies. And we have a Luxembourg Stock Exchange, which is today the biggest green exchange in the world with more than 250 green, sustainable linked and social bonds. And all these actors are operating and doing finance and financing projects all over the world, thereby developing economies and creating jobs. Now, what is it what makes us so successful? Well, I would guess it's our international dimension. We at the Financial Center, we have 60,000 international people with multiple languages and cultural backgrounds that have developed a cross-border expertise. So we have become an EU hub for international financial players that want to deploy their services through Europe. And we are constantly developing. The LHoFT and Fintech and all the things that happened in the past years are demonstrating this. We are on the way to becoming an ESG compliant financial centers. And last but not least, we have communities which we are building through the LHoFT, through other public-private partnerships. The most recent one is the Luxembourg Sustainable Finance Initiatives, which brings NGOs, financial markets players, association, the civil societies to the same table in order to make sure that we develop a sustainable future. And all this is embedded into stability and predictability, which is basically the most important thing for international investors. We have economic stability, we have social stability, and political and fiscal stability. You're here for FinTech, I get that, and you're right to be here. You're not only at the best place, but you're in a good place. We see RegTech solution developing, blockchain solutions for the secure issuance, transfer, and management of tradable digital assets. We have financial services players who are bringing their data into the cloud. We have international payments and electronic money institutions, and many more who are boosting our financial center as a whole. So what is the strategy? What is our ambition as a financial center? Well, first of all, we want to continue to be this European founding partner with this mentality of developing cross-border finance and financing thereby a stronger European economy. We want to be complementary to other financial centers in the EU. And we want to continue to build on the EU regulatory framework. Sustainable finance will probably define the next 10 years in the development of international finance. So there we want to have a lead and continue to have a lead. We want, together with all the actors here, push on innovation. And last but not least, and this is why we are here, we want to nurture the human dimension by constantly improving the working environment, upgrading Luxembourg's infrastructure, and further improving quality of life. So I hope you will enjoy the whole day, because you will meet a lot of actors who are very relevant to this endeavor we want to go to. Unfortunately, I have only 7 minutes, and I think my time is up. Anthony, I guess that this is right. So if you want to have more information on what it is working and living in Luxembourg, and you want to hear from testimonials of your age, please go to movetoluxembourg.com, where you will find videos where these people are talking about their life and their work here in Luxembourg. I wish you a great day and a lot of success. Thank you very much.